In this video, I will show how to fix and resolve Wi-Fi driver missing in network adapter in device manager. So open any web browser and search here Wi-Fi driver Windows 10 or Windows 11. Give your company name HP, Dell or similar, and here click on this first link Windows 10 and Windows 11 Wi-Fi driver for Intel. Similarly, you can type. Similarly, you can search for another company, Intel or something else. So you will see this page and here select your latest version. Here is the option for 64-bit or 32-bit, and this driver will work in Windows 10, Windows 11. And once you done, double click on this setup file. So download, accept, and so double click on this setup file. Click on yes. If it will ask permission, now click on next, accept, and install, and complete this installing process. And once this complete, exit and restart your system. So this way guys, you can fix and resolve Wi-Fi driver is missing. Wi-Fi driver is missing in network adapter in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So thanks for watching comment. This method work for you or not. Someone comment me. Hi there. In device manager network adapter, I can't find my Wi-Fi at all. I've been trying to find it since long, but recently that option has lost. And because of that, my Wi-Fi option is not there. Maybe can you find a solution to this? So I'm creating a video about this comment and about this query. So watch and try to resolve this problem. And also guys comment this method work or not.